In this video, you will learn how to create schedules with your PIXIE app. Schedules are a powerful way to add comfort, convenience, security and energy savings to your home. From the home screen, select the Schedule button. You are able to schedule a group or a device to operate on a schedule. You can create a single schedule for each group or device, so creating the right collection of groups to suit your scheduling requirements is an important step to make the most of the scheduling feature. Select the group or device you would like to schedule by pressing the Set button next to the name. Each schedule has an on time and day and an off time and day. If you only set an on time, then the groups and devices will remain on until they are manually turned off either from the PIXIE app or the PIXIE dimmers and switches on the wall. Note, PIXIE provides you the ability to create 24-hour, 7-day schedules. Once you have pressed the Set button for the chosen group or device, the PIXIE app will load in any existing schedules. If no schedules exist, then press the plus button in the top right hand corner. Choose whether you are setting your on or your off time and days. Select which days you would like to schedule to operate by pressing on the days. Light blue means the schedule will activate on those days, dark blue it will be deactivated. To set the time, press the pencil next to the time and using the time set counter, select the hour and the minute for the schedule to activate. Press set when done. Press save when you're happy with your schedule. You can either save now or set the other time you have not scheduled, whether it's your off or your on schedule. When finished, press the save button. Go ahead and create the schedules you need for your groups and devices to save energy and create a comfortable, cozy, safer home with PIXIE.